feeling overwhelmed by pressure or standing alone in your battles? O blessed soul, let this verse show you the power of unity, family, and inner courage. Even in chaos, dharma gathers its strength together. The sound of conches now rises from other mighty Pandav warriors. Each blow is a declaration, not just of war, but of support, loyalty, and righteous courage. Let your heart absorb the entire verse, for in every word he speaks. Anantavijay Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthira Nakula Sahadevash Sughosh Manipushpako. Meaning of the verse: King Yudhishthir, the son of Kunti, blew the conch named Anantavijay. Nakul and Sahadev blew the conches Sughosh and Manipushpak, respectively. In this verse, the remaining Pandav brothers join the sacred sound of dharma. Anantavijayam, Yudhishthir's conch, meaning endless victory, symbolizes his unwavering dharma and inner resolve. Kunti Putro Yudhishthir, emphasizing his lineage and righteousness as Kunti's eldest son. Sughosh and Manipushpak, the conches of Nakul and Sahadev, the youngest Pandavs, each carrying grace, beauty, and strength in silence. Together, these conches create a symphony of virtue, reminding us that true power lies in unity, clarity, and righteous intent. Each verse of the Geeta holds timeless wisdom for life. Stay connected with Guru Mantra for the next life-changing verse. Jai Shri Krishna.